What do you got going on there?
Oh, look at that. Unplugged it.
What happened?
Unplugged.
Jeez. Like a boss. You could have made them a little longer, use them for something else.
You can. They still put straps
yeah.
on those.
It'd be good for like the side.
You probably put them up here at the front. And there, and you strap over into that side.
Beautiful.
Just another 12 screws. Another accessory. Now what? Now you need to put your pieces in there. They fit now? Like a glove.
Do we need to know where the machine's gonna sit?
Not really. I was gonna kind of bolt each end of the E-Track.
We'll start there, right?
Load the machine up.
Probably
and
bolt there, bolts like around
then
the
look where we're
gap.
the tires. And
Yeah.
then we'll bolt around where the tires are.
Yeah, okay. Bolt here, bolt around the.
We need to
gap?
try and make sure we're straight.
Oh, that's what the tape measure was, right? The difference? Oh, we gotta start somewhere and then just line it up after that, right?
Yeah. We gotta make sure we're not gonna hit a cross number where we put a hole. And then the rest can be screws. Now, if you're like me, I cut a piece of wood to that size and then just
do it all along.
Right, what are you at?
It's like 9, 10.
So then you go on the other side and you say it's 45.
You're almost close enough. Hold one down, otherwise.
I'm good with that. Looking for perfection? You holding that in? Yeah. Hey,
So fast.
so fast.
Do I need some nuts and washers?
Toy.
That's what as good as they're good for. A little toy.
So then if I go here, is there a cross member here? There's one, there's a thing here, there's screws, so I'm gonna say I go back and I go here.
There's one here. And there's one like in the middle of the tire.
Yeah,
Here.
that's where my track is.
Right in the middle of the tire there.
So then I go back to 3 holes or 2 holes. Watch your eyeballs.
Oh yeah, those are just self-tappers they put through. That goes right through the tank. Is this a split piece? Why don't you put some backup lights in the back or something?
What?
When does it spring up? Can you measure that one?
I go like that. I should be able to go right in the end of this one because we should miss that cross member.
I don't even know what you're doing.
Don't use your batteries as a hammer. Right into your wires. No tail lights now.
No wires there, all in the channel. Well, then you have
Should be able to go right in the end of this if it's straight.
Well, you put 2 in there. How do you?
Yeah, look at how much I can move it.
Oh, look at that. You tape measure?
Yeah. What's it supposed to be?
Oh, 9.5.
Done. Now what? Load the side by side and line the other one up, or you trust with your measurement?
I don't like this thing. I'll figure out how to climb up and down it.
You can step on the fender here and climb up and out that way. So do on mine. You go like this and you get right up in the door.
Probably should line it up, right? Then we know for sure.
Line what up?
You want me to drive it up on there? You think I have to?
It's up to you.
Oh, it's already backed in. I just have to drive forward.
Don't run your bars over. But yeah.
It came down a bit.
It's getting wider. Probably at 57 now.
What?
Front's probably at 57 now.
Maybe. How am I gonna line this up?
Measurements are good. You doesn't add up. Just come back here and look at it, or go over and look at it.
Jeez. It's like we know what we're doing. She's like right on, bang on. This one's off a little bit to the side.
Yeah, but that one's a little bit over that one. So you got to line it up. Goddamn perfect. But like that wheel's more over, right? The front one.
This one? Or this one?
The whole front of the machine's actually that way.
Oh.
Like this one is the tracks to the outside. But then the back looks decent. You are to the outside of the rear tires, but it's lined up pretty good.
Yeah, like the strap's pretty good there.
Like that one's the center, but this one here you are to the outside.
Yeah.
The whole machine is that way by about a half inch. So fire it up and pull it ahead, and I'll watch your truck and the trailer.
Can I step on these top things? Maybe? Room. That's I think it's that farther back than I thought, but again.
The way the machine squads the suspension. So you're an inch lower in the front, so you started putting tongue weight on it. So that's basically where you want it.
So that is where I want it?
Yep.
Oh, because it's down a little bit in the front.
You're down an inch, because like 17 still at the back because the trailer is squatted with the weight of the machine. And you're just 16 here, and I watched the truck and you can see the truck start to go down.
A little bit.
And I watched the tongue. So you have tongue weight on now, and roughly you could probably like come ahead another inch or two, but that's all you need to do.
Oh well, gotta strap it down before we do
Put
it.
it on that one over there though, but you won't be able to get screws in.
No, I'll move it after.
You set it to the side where you want to be, right there, right? Just do that.
It'll be something like that, right?
Yeah, I'd come ahead just a touch. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Like it'll just go in that one.
Yep. Then you have like almost a Honda forklift fit right there. Look what you did. Now we got it all messed up. How far do we offset that one? Put over to the front.
Way out of line.
Move your in.
try to smash your garage door all the time.
I won't let you do that. You got your gates down.
I was just gonna drag them.
On my driveway? How far are you going?
How's that?
Yeah, you're out in the street.
Why, you don't trust people around here?
Nope. Hell no. Next thing you know, Don Baker will show up. Okay, this is a real test to see if I can line it up. Do I need to put it in four-wheel drive? Maybe. Probably to climb that hill. You're on the front, you still need to be that way a little bit. Like half an inch. Now you gotta go that way.
Tires a little bit low too.
Oh, they sell tires in West Virginia, so don't worry.
Yeah, like this one is this way more than this way.
Yeah, they didn't get very
It's
straight.
all crooked.
I know.
Okay. Oh, the straps.
Where are you putting the
Straps
strap?
will fit. Well, it's easier to line up this side, right? When I look over the edge, I
Yeah.
can't see that.
No, once you get your orientation of where to put this wheel, then you'll be good. So you're gonna come down to the strap, it's gonna be like right here. You're gonna put in that one. Or this one.
Think so?
Yeah. I'm hooking that one or that one, either one. Probably the inner one, but whatever, don't matter. Yeah. That's what I do. I just go like this.
Oh, you're pulling right up.
There you go. You need to put one right here. And then one right here. Take the strap off now.
Like around there.
Go to the back.
Man, this way you work your employees at work? No wonder they have so much stress at work.
You got it.
You're like, go,
Dick
go, go.
around.
What are you
Let's
talking
get it
about?
done.
This is
Then we
break
can
time
fuck the
yet?
dog the rest of the day. This mirror on the other side. Look, you can't even read fires anymore.
This fucking looks bent already. Barely even hit anything.
Hammering it with a hammer. It should be here.
Famous last words. Should be here.
And then what? You got this clipped in here. I can't do my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? Well, the tires are they're the same size, front and rear, so 16 between them. Should be the same distance between, right?
Yep.
I was making a judgment, and then I look at the stamp here, and I'm like, you're one the other side of the stamp, so I double check that way. I just
that.
Hey, the other side. Come on, let's go.
Shit, there's another side.
Starting to rain.
Oh.
Got those on there yet?
Come on, I gotta eat for lunch. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Exactly.
What the hell is taking you guys so long?
Do you know how much this is costing us to have this down right now?
Is that how it is, eh?
Sure.
Yeah, work in that kind of environment. What are you doing so much?
Exactly.
Alright, you started this. Okay, leave on you.
Need 5 nuts. Give me a minute, I gotta find 5 nuts.